To all our friends, schoolmates and classmates, teachers, mommies and daddies, titas and titos, Lola and Lolos, watching with us tonight, a warm evening to all of you. This year was a bit difficult for our studies because we will have to study through online and we cannot be with our classmates. Everything was new to us, from staying home to missing our classmates and using the online platform and doing exercises and activities through online. And just so many new things for us. But despite the challenges, we were all able to finish the school year. I would like to praise and thank our Heavenly Father for His guidance and protection every day, for providing all the things that we need, for being with our families, for the good health, and for preserving family relationships. I thank Him for the gift of life that we can celebrate until this time. We are still here. Thank you to our parents who lovingly sacrificed for us, for sending us to school, for preparing our food, for helping us do our assignments, for being so patient with us when studying, for buying us clothes, and for sacrificing your personal needs and meeting ours. We thank God for you, and we would like to tell you that we love you very much. To our dear teacher, thank you so much for everything that you have done for us. Thank you for your patience in teaching us how to read, write, and count. For the so many things you have lovingly taught us. And thank you for helping us go out from our own world and discover it with our classmates. Thank you for listening to our stories and for your understanding. To my fellow graduates and schoolmates, I really thank you for the friendship that we have. Together, we have grown up. Together, we have learned how to read and write. There are so many things we have done together, which we will certainly miss from each other. I love you all, classmates and schoolmates. To our beloved alma mater, thank you so much for everything that you have shared to us. Thank you for the Christian values and the love for God which you have lovingly inculcated in our hearts. Proverbs 22:6 says, train up a child in the way that he should go, so when he is old, he will not depart from it. Thank you so much for standing behind us. To our Gax family, we love you very much. And to our titas and titos, Lola and Lolos, even our dear nannies, thank you very much for sharing your life with us. I know that little as we are, we will be learning more from you, and there are so many things yet to be revealed and be discovered. We will continue to pray to God that COVID-19 will be over soon and we can go back to school and play with our classmates. Please stay safe and be healthy, everyone. Good evening.